I'm here with Chef Payne today, and we want to show you how to properly separate eggs. We're going to make Italian buttercream for you all in a next video. So I wanted to show you how to properly separate these eggs. So I call this the 3-container method because I have 3 containers. I'm wearing gloves. If you don't want to wear gloves, just make sure that your hands are clean. You crack the egg on a flat surface, not the corner of your container, because it could force the egg shell into the egg. And you simply break the white apart from the yolk into the clean container. Then you put the clean white in with the rest of the clean whites and the clean yolk into the rest of the yolks. If you break your yolk in this first container, it won't contaminate the other eggs. So one more time, crack it on a flat surface over a clean, empty container. Sieve it through your hands. You can use the shell, but sometimes I worry that the shell would break the yolk. So into the clean containers, bada boom, that's how you properly separate an egg.